Hello and welcome back. This video is meant to be a reintroduction to EN052 or ALP. This is the companion class that goes along with EN100. Remember, this is the class where there are only 10 of us, and we would have been meeting at 11 o'clock if classes were still meeting. So welcome back. You've probably seen my video for EN100 by now. If you haven't, make sure to check it, just because of the fact that there is content there that's specific to the EN100 class that you need to make sure you know. For our class, though, just to reiterate a couple of important points, we will be fully online going forward through the end of the semester. It's really important to check your email every day at least, preferably more. Do the same thing with Blackboard. Make sure you're staying up with the list of readings and activities and due dates that you'll also find posted to Blackboard. And finally, be ready to roll with the punches here. Things may change. If they do, I'll make sure I tell you as soon as I know about it. Anyway, a quick look forward. I will be posting discussions of the textbook reading for the week at the beginning of the week every week. I'm actually just putting one of those together now for Chapter 7 of On Writing Well, and I'll have that up ASAP, I promise. Also, speaking of Blackboard and how things are being posted, I've gone in and revised the way that Blackboard folders are being named in course content, just because of the fact that right now week numbers matter less than they did before. We're going to end up having to go through some weeks that don't match up with the actual number of the semester because of the schedule change. Plus, I've actually turned a couple of the folders off to make it easy to see the one that we're currently working with. Go to Blackboard and course content, you'll see what I mean. If you're confused, feel free to email me or contact me otherwise, but I think it probably makes more sense this way. Just to say again something I said before, our first approaching due date will be the written response to usage, Chapter 7 of On Writing Well. Please take a look at the specific question that I've got with that Dropbox. It's not the usual kind of read it and write about it response. There's something specific I'm asking you to do there. Lastly, I just want to remember everybody that the goal of the course is the same as it's ever been and will remain the same. In the end, my primary focus is making sure that you benefit as a student, make it through this course and EN100, and are overall stronger when you leave than when you came in. I think I've said this in my other video too. As long as we're all better off at the end, it's going to be a victory. Particularly for our course, because that was always the goal anyway. As you can probably tell and hear, I'm still waking up a little bit, so sorry for all the starts and stops. Good luck. Please keep me updated, keep me aware of what's going on, although frankly that will be a part of the discussion we do every week. I'll be asking you over and over again to give me some idea of what you're up to academically, just so that I can help where possible. We'll get through it, but it's going to be one day at a time. So I'll talk to everybody very soon. Take care. Bye.